Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're exploring the fragile atmospheric bubble that keeps every single one of us alive.
Okay, let's dive into this. What if Earth lost its oxygen for just 5 terrifying seconds?
Total catastrophe. Losing 21% air pressure instantly is like dropping 2,000 meters. Your inner ears would explode.
Planes drop from the sky and Earth's crust completely crumbles. Why? Because oxygen is actually a crucial binding element.
And this brilliantly illustrates why. Oxygen actually makes up nearly half of Earth's entire crust by weight.
Sure, nitrogen dominates our air, but our survival strictly depends on that tiny, critical 21% oxygen sliver.
Up high, we hit physical limits. At the Armstrong limit, atmospheric pressure drops so low, things get terrifying.
At this incredibly low pressure, exposed body fluids like tears, urine, and lung fluids literally vaporize instantly.
No joke, in 1965, a NASA test subject exposed to a near vacuum actually felt his saliva boiling.
In aviation, sudden decompression means your time of useful consciousness to react becomes absolutely terrifyingly brief.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is seeing how fast your lung oxygen plummets, severely impairing your brain.
To survive these extremes, planes rely on automated emergency systems, like mass deployment and rapid descents, to save us.
But hey, back on the ground, we also build heavily armored mobile fortresses just to ensure safe air. Take the presidential limo. It weighs a massive 20,000 pounds and has a fully sealed, bulletproof cabin. If attacked, this car essentially becomes a submarine. A built-in trunk supply instantly provides safe, breathable air.
Ultimately, the most catastrophic threat to our atmospheric bubble isn't natural at all. It's human-made nuclear war.
A global nuclear war would loft massive amounts of soot into the stratosphere, absolutely destroying our protective ozone layer.
This smoke physically heats the stratosphere. That drastically alters atmospheric chemistry, and boom, ozone destruction rapidly accelerates. Without that ozone protection, the tropical UV index would surge past 35 for 4 consecutive years.
Down in southern polar regions, summer UV indexes would spike over 45. That's an unprecedented hazard to life.
So do we take this fragile bubble for granted? Because without it, Earth is just a dead rock.